This is the reason we're here today. Are you tired of coming to Hollywood Studios and seeing these signs here? Say you get here about 3 minutes after the park opens. I feel like they already have them out telling you boarding groups are closed for the day. Well, if you can't get on the ride, I've come up with something even more fun. We're gonna count as many of them as we can throughout the park. Over the past few days, I've noticed those signs everywhere, so we're gonna find as many as we can because scavenger hunts are fun. Let's get to it. So that first sign was right there, coming from the buses underneath the Skyway station. We've got number 2 as we draw closer to the entrance. Coming into the park here, there's one over there. You'll see they've got another one right there. So we're already at 4. We haven't even gotten in the park. Next to the 4th one, on your way to the boats, there's number 5. We haven't even gotten through bag check yet. On this side of the entrance, we've got 6 and 7. And this is just around the bag check. So we're already at 7 signs. 8, 9, 10, 11, and there's 12 over there by the construction wall. 12 already, and we still haven't gotten in the park. So we already counted the one in the end. 13, 14, and 15. And now we're finally gonna enter the park. I feel like it's like entering a stronghold or a fortress. They just keep warning you before you get to that point. It's like lines of defense, so you don't get to that cast member at the ride and ask, is there any more boarding available? Straight away on the inside, we've got number 16. I'm losing track here. 16 and 17. Once we get further back in the park, they'll be a little more fun to find. These are the easy ones. Now, I have been on Rise of the Resistance. It's a fantastic ride. Most impressive thing I think Disney's ever done. I'm having a good time doing the scavenger hunt so far, even though we haven't really had to go hunt for them yet. We're gonna walk down Sunset Boulevard and see if we can find number 18. Maybe they've got one back here somewhere. All the way back in the corner by the tower exit. Nothing over here, but I do think it's time for a Geoffreys tea pit stop. All clear by Rock and Roller Coaster. No signs back here, so let's head back to the central hub. All boarding groups for Star Wars Rise of Resistance have been distributed. This one is number 18, located at the hub. Then 19 over here near the sign, which leads back to Launch Bay. The rest of this area is clear. It seems like they're just going to put them on the way to Galaxy's Edge, except for some of them, like the ones here, kind of random. We'll go back this way through Toy Story Land and then come out around, and I bet we'll find a lot more there. You've got a double hit coming back into Toy Story Land, 20 and 21. It's 4 p.m. and they're already up to boarding group 97. They're actually going really quick today. Coming into Batou 2. I haven't seen any since that entrance into Toy Story Land, but I know there'll be more closer to ride. Wonder if they've seen any signs. Figured I would come over here to check, just in case people got the rides confused. But it doesn't look like they have any signs here.
Go say hi to Chewie, bud.
I did.
Wonder if Chewie's seen any signs anywhere. Maybe he can help me. Here's number 22 in Batou. I like this sign. This one actually is the best looking one of them all. I wonder if there's more that look like this though, that are black. And here's the ride itself. Under heavy guard. There's so many cast members out front. And here's 23 on the other side of the ride. So there's 2 black ones. 24 and 25 flanking the other entrance into Galaxy's Edge. Walking near Star Tours, you have 26, and behind the crowd of people, there's 27. It is funny, they still have someone standing outside of Tatooine Traders with an event merchandise sign. I actually stopped in to get the Rise of the Resistance pass holder shirt, because as much as I'm joking around with this silly challenge, I really do love Rise of the Resistance. Alright, that is going to do it for this ridiculous scavenger hunt. 27 is the grand total I found, walking all throughout the park and right outside before you get here. It is great that they have them before you waste your day coming in here and, you know, then realize you can't ride it, especially if you were planning on riding it. Hopefully in the future it'll die down and they have another system to do this. But I challenge you all to find more signs than I can if you want something to do here. Because maybe there's more. Maybe I missed one, or maybe different days they have different amounts. But that is going to do it. Thank you all for watching. The caravan is moving on.